Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. Today I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Pixel Gun 3D game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device and make sure that you are logged in using your email address and your password. Once you are taken into the store page, just click on the search button and then type in Pixel Gun 3D and begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it and you can now check out the trailer and also the reviews for the game. If you want to download the game, just scroll down and click on the Add to Library button. Once the game has been added to your library, you can then click on the Play option to begin the installation. Then just choose the installation directory where you want to install this game. And once the download and installation is completed, you will find a shortcut on your desktop which you can use to open up the game. And now you can start enjoying the Pixel Gun 3D game on your device right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Pixel Gun 3D game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.